Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankamuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
For any ashe for me, ma obibia akwa strong and ba too much GH. And then so niaba mosu for messing cow. Na me de someone else circulate to one mind about someone that for na saying them yin na yin mu say United Show Base na Mama Brown no chese mo ba asem anything a guest that we invited one star program on so say bulldog come if you as nega ne other people come watch 17 want to be man na men's gold customers such as musika akemu na hu nia so video ni na ne say if you as nega kasafa men's gold one kasa wakasa ni na say men's gold there woman nya there woman ji ebinim wu kasa chese ankoye bulldog there now one so when to me control the buffo na out of buffo ni mu kasa yin to say kasa bebre ana kasa dodo na mfonso pemu enu nti na no koyi ni ka ni na ne say bon what dia pfi na no say His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo se wan bon what dia mtia men's gold customers ne ka dia ne 4 years no enya dia wo beti evie na enu na chese at once na Efia ne ganso so dia enim say ba Efia ne ga wo dream fast at once na no bu ani say bulldog asem wo kai there wo trend woman penny ne for as a joke after program nature no ba say BNI for the woman sa so asem mu ko fa bulldog chese for ne course wo ho there agi say update ne ba na ba be so na ni name no na chese dodo na kasa lawyer Morrison Krabe kasa say eba UTV production na kasa United Show Base production no sanka yetumi arrest your baby or wa akebe arrest or ma arrest presenter no chese dodo na chiro ma adwin say ne course wo on dey say dey Ghana ye ma ye ni acha ye ni to for ni na echi no say ekoba say program ni see ye na BNI for be fa ye bulldog ni na echi no afeje ye actress chese ni dimbetene na say inteme na bulldog nti ono aka so ye popular dada high sense wo wa na na Mama Brown chese oye brand ambassador ma product bebre name so na ma yo bi Ghana untumi fa na chese she's known about to say film dia watra aputo na so we dia enam ne course ni dia ma na ni din anda obeye film kra the more na ni echi wa bekasa na abekasa na mabekasa na ni se mo di betu dwane se we dia obadun so gu na so aye twa enton chene nti we dia opa woman penny chow obi biara oye offended UTV United Show Base followers ni na or the chopa eko emamo na ensiwa wasaka say the production ni na so pacho na wono na mafre die yes United Show Base program no wo be make sure say wo be with care and na afering so no wo be acting as a presenter no wo be man in tutu ye ne nyoma no ye professional nti Ghana foi timemufuo the followers obi bia emfa enche no na ma any the production na for say na ye na ma kan nsem Nana Ama Brown also apologized on behalf of her production team and promised Ghanaians to tread cautiously and work professionally without any offenses going forward. I am very sorry for the comments made by my co-guest on this show a week ago and would like to ask for forgiveness from the president and followers of United Showbiz, she said. Etiefo, say na ye nearby ye actress, ye superstar Nana Mama Brown, na was say Mumfa and channel. Ghana for fan channel. His Excellence Nana do Dankwa. In penny for my movie and fan chair or no Nana and in the production now. Obe making sure say yes, Anya a see and ya dear a be a basic you. Now be making sure they will work with caution. Now 18 for share a year near course who was show pay. Nana man so apology our dear Baba to dry a dear na wokan at the found the one so I don't know. Say a year Nana my superstar one day a year the pride up to chain no more buff forward ababe Eddie Jantua ababe to a yetiman for the oman penny then I will cover why dear. And I say we cry your watch anka amonu mu wana anka and asem ni sie na anka yese wotu wana mo and every way mu and na yese wo de apology no ba betu ja netiefo bi ja o madwin kire say ekoba say incident ni si ya na ma the apology betu ya anka Ghana for ye nti yes say Ghana for asem ba wo mo betwe na basane sire je say wo bia be ka na ade kopem so be wo ne puma sibre ansana obi be ka Ghana for short memory ansana wo refi asem na mo wo mo refi wie na say wo di jantwa ni mo betu wa esa be no kuma atom ye to bia be je mu na etiefo ebi so the woman dream betu just said there bio you may be say I see to me the addition dear papa. Now to say Ghana ye ni ate ni tons and they can boss so let's say ye nim so man penny ye nim say ye penny for ye and one say ye go fu ya na kasa na one say ye to turn tata ye dream po na e ko ba say that e mistake na ya sa pacho dia na che say that mistake pa ye for Ghana for your dim. And say before I be kasa, before I be ante, before I just say be 2 anamo, a dear people, and see it to me that dream. It's a casa bebre no, and from so empowered before I be kasa, and see a June year pass and ye be free and no more ban, and call fast 7 fan bread, send a call fast and bread, a year bulldog, nothing so, and my yama who pia. Emma or China sister will be so and concussion of whom I come for. Now, it's here for also I drink children won't anything, but when they tell I drink children to your comment section, well, if I may have a subscribe to my GH if you can say, send a bear you may dear beer, yeah, the better to Muna Munu say to me, I can be know to me, actually, now, I feel like a share any promoting. I do my GH. I am nearby Mexican only ever told my promotion. Now, and I remember kind of the West and the family didn't say basic cry when you become so I say, Mama Juliet Ventures or Bow person pitch away the car. Now, concession idea, my chest a baby, and do Yambo, or Chidia, but what from my Juliet's number, but Bama, kitchen you fear, I lovely funny number. After a long master Malone within 24 hours. The Union government worker, our Ghana Hana affordability, loan master, wow. I'm aware now urgent money for urgent projects. I'm already the end form. Now, terms and conditions so there. I am flexible, but my dear loan master number no. I was screening so. And therefore, I have people busy. That's the best issue in my car.